What's going on, guys, and thanks for coming back for another video. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying out another product to see if it'll help fill in some bare spots I have. If you guys seen a couple videos ago, I did a review on Scott's Easy Seed, the patch repair. For me, I wasn't a fan, but I'm going to try out a different product to see if it works a little better or not. So let's go ahead and get started. So originally I was going to go ahead and buy a bag of seed and you know, some compost and stuff and do all that, but I seen this product right here, which is basically the same as Scott's, is just a different company. This is Pennington. It's another grass company. I've seen this product also, I just didn't try it. I looked on reviews and apparently this has a little better reviews than the Scott's Easy Seed, so I decided to buy it and try it to see if that's true or not. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. And the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to prepare our soil. So we're going to get that rake, clean up all this dead grass, loosen up that dirt, and then sprinkle this on, water it, and according to this, we'll probably see results within 5 days. But I don't think it'll be 5 days, because tall fescue normally takes, I would say, for me at least, 10 to 14 days before I see germination, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're wondering where I get them from, it's from my dog. She's a Cane Corso and Great Dane mix, so she pees, it's like a huge puddle, so that's where I get all these spots from. Let's take a look at what it looks like. You can see that. So this has mulch, seed, and fertilizer already in there. So let's go ahead and apply it and we'll water it in. So I got this main area, that's the main one I'm going to be really focused on, as well as these little ones I did as well. Okay, next up guys, we're going to go ahead and water. Make sure when you water, guys, it's not running everywhere. We don't want your grass to be running, so we're going to make sure it's wet. And then once the mulch, you start seeing it get light, that means that it's drying up. So if you can, go ahead and re-water. So that's the most important thing, guys, is keeping this wet. All right, let's get started. All right, just finished watering. Try to zoom in if you can. Kind of hard to tell, but the mulch does kind of expand just a little bit. It's trying to cover up that seed. I don't know if this would be well enough to cover my seed. I'm debating whether or not to add a little bit of compost on top or peat moss, just because where I live at, there's actually a lot of birds. But I'll see. I don't know. I might just keep it like this just to see if this works or not. Or maybe I'll cover half of it with some compost and the other leave it like this. But we'll see, guys. All right, so this is roughly about 3 weeks after I applied, which is roughly the same time I did for the Scott's Easy Seed. So here are the results. You guys see, it's mainly all this area right here that I did, and as you can see, I got quite a bit of good germination. Actually, I would definitely say this worked better than the Scott's Easy Seed. I'm gonna try to do a comparison side-by-side shot of the Easy Seed after 3 weeks and for this one after 3 weeks. I would definitely say this one worked a little better. Not great, but definitely better than the Scots. And I think the main issue with this product, or product similar to it, is there's not a lot of grass seed in it. It has more fertilizer and mulch in it, which is fine. It's mainly designed for very small areas, but I did this kind of big area to really test it out. And for me, like I said, this I would say works better than the Scott's Easy Seed. At least for me, it seemed to work a lot better, because it was a really big area that I did, and I got quite a bit of germination, but there's still a couple areas that haven't yet. Let's go check a couple of little small areas I did also, like right here. See this little area still looks pretty good. It's gonna get thicker and fill in. See right here, this one didn't do quite as well, but there is some germination. As well as over here, there's some germination right here. So yeah, guys, I would definitely say this works better than Scott's. I still don't think it works great, but definitely, at least for me, it worked better than the Easy Seed. So if you guys have to choose between one, I would say go with the Pennington one. Just because for me, I did get better results. Alright guys, there you guys have it. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.